Hi everyone, my name is Mary and today we're going to be dyeing our kinky natural hair extensions. Today we have kinky straight, kinky coarse and kinky curls. And I'm just going to show you how to achieve different shades of blonde. I'm going to demonstrate how to lighten your hair extension using some samples of the kinky straight, kinky curly and kinky coarse textures. Mix powder bleach with 30 or 40% developer to create a paste-like consistency. Your mixture should not be too runny, nor should it be too thick. Make sure you mix it very well to get rid of any lumps and begin to paint the bleach onto the hair like so. Make sure you flip over your weft and continue to saturate the hair in the bleach. Gently comb the hair to evenly distribute the bleach. Put some foil over the hair to let it process. Remember to check underneath the foil every 5 to 10 minutes. Once you reach the desired colour, rinse the hair and use a neutralising shampoo. For blonde shades, I like to use a blue or purple toning shampoo. Leave the hair in a moisturising conditioner, rinse it and let the hair air dry.